Dear students, in this video I am going to explain about compressibility activity. Here the syringe is filled with incense stick smoke and try to compress with the piston and observe the compressibility position. Observe the compressibility position. Next, the syringe is filled with water and compress with the piston. Observe the compressibility position. Observe the compressibility position. Now the syringe is filled with sand and compressed with the piston. Observe the compressibility position. From this activity we can conclude that gases are highly compressible, liquids are slightly compressible, solids are incompressible. Thank you one and all.